I'm in a McLaren 720S Spider. Next to me is a Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster. So I've got a twin turbo 4 litre V8 with 720 horsepower. And to tell you about that car, let's speak to its owner.
It's Yanni from Yanni My. So Yanni, tell me about your car.
Hi Matt, thanks for having me back. 6.5 V12, 740 brake horsepower, 619 newton meters.
And the thing to point out here is that
I've got 770 newton meters,
which is more torque than your car, but
I'm rear wheel drive, whereas you are
4-wheel drive.
And it looks like it might rain at some point today, so
hopefully it's going to stay dry, otherwise you've got a massive advantage.
I'll tell you what, before we actually do the drag race,
Let's have a roof race,
I'm going to count us in.
and then you've got to take your roof down.
Yeah, this is going to be fun.
3,
Hold
2,
1, go.
Hold on.
I just want to make a few things clear.
My roof usually goes into the bonnet, okay? But I'm not going to put it there. I'm just going to chop the roof off and stick it over on the grass.
I don't even know what the point of this race is, but okay, you can have a laugh at me. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm so going to win this because this car actually has the fastest folding roof of any supercar.
I haven't even got the one of my roofs off yet. What a joke.
Now he's got to get out of it. He's got to manually remove the panels. Look, I'm done. And it takes 10 seconds. So easy.
I can't even believe I'm playing this game.
While he's doing that, I think I'll go and check out his channel on YouTube. It's Yanni Mize. He's gone and done a drag race with someone else besides me on his channel.
Imagine if I had to put it into the front. It would have taken even longer. You right there, Matt? Still going?
Yanni,
I've just been on your YouTube channel. I've noticed you've done a drag race without me.
you've been cheating on me.
You know, I invented the drag race. Drag races can only happen on carwow.
That was for my TV show, so
It wasn't my decision, to be honest, otherwise I'd have had you involved.
The dirty Anyway, let's race. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when we make a new upload. Also, follow us on Instagram at carwowcars.
Loves a chat, doesn't he? My God.
Right, let's do this. Can someone get me the McLaren guy?
I think the McLaren's broke down already. They've actually brought a McLaren guy down here to make sure they beat me.
Just press that button, yeah?
Yeah, push that.
Talk about taking it seriously.
Make sure it does go into Loadstone.
You've got a McLaren from McLaren, and you've got a technician here as well from McLaren.
you're going all out to beat me today, aren't you? Because every time you've been a Lamborghini Aventador, you have beaten me.
Damn it!
Even though I missed the start, I still got you.
This is my turn.
Good luck.
With the rear wheel drive, my friend.
Try not to put it over there on the grass.
I'm ready when you are. Let's do this.
I'm so excited by this.
It's raining. It's raining.
It's starting to rain, please, can we just go? I've got rear wheel drive.
It's raining. Rain, come down.
Start the bloody race.
Make the track wet.
Yes, I'm bloody ready.
3.
Wait. I'm not ready. Launch mode, ready.
3. 2. Good.
Oh, come on, no.
Come on.
Oh, wheels spin off the line.
Oh, you are gone, mate. Where are you?
And he's got me. I'm coming back, come on. Come on, McLaren.
Come on. Come on. See ya. Oh, he's caught me. No. Oh yeah. Oh, that felt so good. How'd you catch me?
So then, what exactly happened? Well, despite having a porous start, the rear-drive McLaren managed to beat the Lamborghini by the narrowest of margins. The 720S Spider did the standing quarter mile in 10.4 seconds. While the Aventador S Roadster took 10.5 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race, but to decide how we're going to do it, I'm going to ask Yanni.
Being as you lost that one, Yanni, you have a choice.
Hate losing.
Do you want to do a rolling race in third gear or
Second gear, and you can pick the speed so that you're
in your power band and you're happy, okay?
1 second, let me just have a quick test. Let me just see. Yeah, let's go 40 mile an hour, second gear.
Right, Ann, you heard him. We're going to do a rolling race in second gear from 40 miles an hour. Let's see what happens.
Oh, I'm still so annoyed.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to let you call it in then.
Ready? 3, 2.
1, go.
Oh, he picked up really well.
I forgot to change gear.
That's your fault, mate. That's 1-1.
That's not my problem. I can't control whether you change gear or not, mate. 1-1.
Woo!
I tell you what, you could have that. 1-1.
I want to see what happens really though. Can we just see what happens really?
You're a nutter. All right, cool.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh, my boost now. Oh, yes.
Wow, man. Wow.
Oh, this thing is mental.
That ain't standard. No way.
Oh, 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 oh.
That ain't standard.
There you go. So if the driver isn't an idiot, it's quicker.
But you were an idiot, so I won. Brake test.
1-1 then.
I kind of won that.
But anyway, 1-1. We're going to do a brake test.
This is the decider. One each. It's all on the brake test. From 70 miles an hour, when we hit the cone, full emergency stop. My car weighs 1,500 kilos.
Mine's just over 1.6.
So 100 kilos in it. I'd say you're probably a bit heavier than me.
Oh, your fanboys are going to love that on your channel, aren't they?
At least I'm not in a wrapped car where they can take the piss.
Please don't punch me when we get out the cars. Don't brake before the cone. I know you've cheated at it before.
Be fair, play fair, Yanni, okay? Here comes the cone.
No! No! No!
Yes! 2-1.
No! No!
Good. I think that's 2-1 to me, mate.
I kind of won the rolling race.
You missed your gear. You didn't change gear. For someone that does like car videos, you'd think you'd know how to change gear, wouldn't you?
Okay, fair point. But personal competitions aside, the McLaren did win the rolling race, so it's 2-1 to the 720S Spider.
I might have to remap my car and
Then come back again.
cheat.